Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we will give you an update for the status of our restroom. And before anything else, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And also follow us on our Instagram account as well as on our FB Facebook page. And also we would like to thank sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin, sa lahat ng mga tao na nagtiwala. Thank you very much for your support. So, watch out din po for our next vlog kasi
we will show you, or we will be shooting the YouTube sweldo.
Yay!
Finally.
And, see?
Yeah, go!
And also, hindi na po namin lahat mamimension yung mga taong nagtiwala. Kahit sino ba naman kami, we are nobody, hindi naman kami artista na isang upload lang, hundreds of thousands na agad yung views. Pero we started small and now siguro next. Basta, so sa lahat ng tao na sumuporta sa amin, sa lahat po na nag-partner sa amin, nandito na po yung lahat ng logo nila. So thank you very much. Hindi na po namin kayo iisahin. Again, thank you. And at last, may bunga na po yung aming pagka-YouTuber. So, without further ado, let's start. And by the way, tinamad na si Arnel magluto. So, nag-order na lang kami ng Food Panda. This is also katas ng aming YouTube sahod. So, we need to celebrate. And actually, gusto namin kumain sa labas. I've been telling him na gusto kong mag-sanggupsal. Kaso, next time na lang. So,
so while we are showing you guys the day-to-day progress of our bathroom renovation, so magmumukbang din tayo. Okay, so just to give you an overview, so this is already the 6th day. So they started working last Monday and today is already Saturday. So technically that's their 6th day and it's already around 70 to 80% complete, guys. I was thinking this will take 2 to 3 weeks pero medyo mabilis ang paggawa nila. And of course, quality-wise, hindi anong tawag doon? Quality pa rin yung paggawa.
Yes.
Oo, despite na mabilis.
In fairness, carpenter namin dito, 7:30 AM nandito na sila. So, we need to wake up early as well. And sometimes, may bit-bit silang saging for us. Yun.
Yes.
And they end their shift, siguro mga minsan 6, minsan 5:30. So, ganun sila ka-hardworking. And then, minsan nga na kami kasi yung lunch na 30 minutes lang, tatrabaho agad. So, kudos. If you are in Bacolod and you wanted or may papagawa kayo, just let us know. We will share the contact of our carpenter.
Yes. Alright. Sige. So, let's go ahead and show you guys the day-to-day progress, starting off with day 1.
So, sa day 1, yung ginawa lang naman dito is yung kisame and then also yung delivery ng mga stocks nung in-order namin. If you watch our previous vlog, yung namili kami sa Wilcon. So, dineliver siya Monday afternoon and then, pero yung morning pa lang, nagsa-start na ng construction, tinanggal na lahat yung lumang kisame na lubak-lubak. Actually, nakikita nyo naman siya sa video.
On day 2 naman guys, they started with the tiles na. So, from the shower area, in-install na yung tiles as well as yung cove light. It was also installed on day 2. I also bought some electrical materials from the light shop. So, binili ko yung para sa front ng mirror. Para yun. We'll show you na lang yung finished product sa bathroom na tour soon.
Okay, so day 3 naman is dito na nag-start yung electrical since pwede na siyang galawin ng electrician namin kasi so yun. So day 3 is nag-start na siya yung electrical and then nag-start na din yung wall tiles. So yung 3 sides nag-start na sila ng paglagay ng wall tiles.
Sa day 4 naman, yun, continue lang yung pag-install ng tiles. Bumili ako ng additional cement because medyo magastos siya guys sa adhesive. Mainly because yung unang karpentero na gumawa ng aming bathroom hindi pulido.
Correct.
So yun. So our current carpenter had to correct yung mistake ng previous carpenter. So that is the reason why it is very very important na una pa lang dapat alam niyo na yung kilala niyo na yung carpenter. Alam nyo na magaling talaga siya or expert talaga siya sa ganong field. So that's why important na dapat nakita nyo yung gawa niya bago nyo kunin yun. So yun, because of ang daming kailangang ayusin, we had to purchase a lot of adhesive. I think a total of 20 bags or even more na ang nabili naming adhesive.
How much?
Adhesive is just is 315 per bag. So 20 plus na guys. Initially, yung estimate namin is 10 bags lang pero sumobra. Sobra pa nga sa doble. Because yun, we had to fix a lot of things. So yun sa day 4.
So day 5, patuloy pa din si Arnel bumili ng grout, lahat kasi nga everyday halos ilang sako yung nauubos just to ayusin yung mga sira sa CR, and also bumili ulit ng additional tiles kasi yung tiles na binili nung first batch is kulang. So Arnel went again to Wilcon. Hindi na ako sumama kasi nga I have ako na yung bantay dito sa house. Ginagawa yung accent wall ng restroom. So yung 3 sides is pareho, but meron din siyang accent wall na different yung style, but same color palette siya sa other sides.
So it's still gray.
Still gray, but may accent din siya na shades of gray.
Yes, and he actually mentioned na para siyang Gatsby type. So papakita na lang namin sa inyo sa video. I love the color palette. Yun lang masasabi ko. Basta I like it. What else on day 6? Continue pa rin of course yung tiles installation. And sinimulan na rin yung para sa lavatory, yung para sa lababo. So na-install na rin yung yung sink mismo. So there, hanggang dyan na muna, hanggang day 6. By next week, they will just finish the rest of the tiles siguro, and then flooring, yun na lang, yung floor na lang talaga. And then if meron pang extra budget, we will start na lang with the painting of the ceiling. Kasi parang feeling ko lang kukulangin yung budget, pero we'll see. If we have extra, then we will start with the ceiling, and then yung door pala for the shower area, that we will have another door there para hindi mabasa yung sink at saka yung yung toilet area.
Again, thank you very much po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin. I know we're just a small YouTuber, but again, we really do appreciate all those who sent us message. Lahat. And by the way, yung video pala namin sa Bahay Kubo, even yung meron nag-message namin from India, from United States, they thought na taga doon kami. They're asking us if we can do their Bahay Kubo. Again po, we are sorry, we are from the Philippines, Bacolod to be exact.
So I guess that's it for today's vlog. So again guys, watch out for the next couple of vlogs that we will have. It's going to be exciting. We will also do our yung YouTube sweldo namin, gagamitin namin for our bathroom essentials.
Yes, correct.
So we will buy our mirrors,
yes,
lahat, toothbrush holder and everything. So watch out for that soon once tapos na yung bathroom.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also.
And if you have suggestions, please comment down below. Binabasa po namin lahat yan. And also, follow us on our Instagram account, which you can see on our screen. And also, follow us on our Facebook page.
Thank you, guys!
That's it for today's vlog. See you on the next one. Bye, guys!
Bye! Kakain na kami ng chicken!